Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a mayonnaise hair mask. Mayonnaise actually leaves your hair shiny and soft. I have done this hair mask before, and the reason I'm doing it again is because I wanted to just show you guys, you know, what mayonnaise actually does to your hair. And it actually fills the hair gaps, makes your hair stronger and fuller, and it also contains egg, which is a protein, and that is good. I noticed that people add extra egg and oil, but I'm not gonna add no extra egg. I'm just gonna mix my mayonnaise and a little bit of castor oil. You can use any type of oil, it's up to you really, but these are the two, and I'm just gonna mix it into this. I don't have gloves, so I have to actually just put it on my hair with my hands. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to mix it first before I apply it on my hair, but let's get into it. So what you're going to do is just quickly open it. Doesn't smell that bad, you know. Usually stinks. So I'm gonna put it on my hair like as if it's relaxer. And plus, I rather use the whole thing because I don't eat mayonnaise. So I hate when it makes a mess. To show me I get as much because my hair is really dirty. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, this is the amount, and then I'm gonna add a bit of castor, just a little bit. Okay guys, so once you're done mixing, it's now time to apply onto your hair. So this is my messy hair, my dirty hair. I haven't washed my hair in 2 months. So now it's time for me to comb it. after 30 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Ugh. Oh wow, it feels heavy on my head. Oh, it smells now. Oh, look at the mirror. It's just oily. I don't know how to touch it. It's just obviously because obviously I put oil in it. It's just oily. So now it's time to wash the hair. I'm gonna go and wash the hair now. Guys, I'm back after washing my hair. This is, sorry, there's still water. This is, yeah, my hair's kind of long, but it shrinks so much. So that is what my hair looks like. Ugh, honestly, that washing was long. Anyway, it's just oil and moisturize my hair. One of the things I use is Cantor shea butter leave-in conditioner or conditioning, whatever. But the thing I don't like about it is too thick. So what I do is I get like a little spray bottle, and then I just add a little bit. Well, add so like this kind of consistency, and obviously that's it. So after you kind of have like this kind of consistency, you add water. So you just add it all the way to the top. Then you shall close it and shake, shake, shake it. And then obviously I got an oil applicator, so you just mix different kinds of oil. I put castor oil, coconut oil, a little bit of olive oil, and I have another coconut oil, like the natural coconut oil that I got from Nigeria, or I took from home, and I add it. So even though there's a little bit left, I just, you know, you should just add it here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add some shea butter on my hair and I have to part it. So guys, this is it. I've just packed my hair into cute little buns, and yeah, I'm gonna leave my hair to breathe for the whole day. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. Alrighty, so that is all from now.